Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a true icon from the golden age of Japanese engineering, the 1990 Honda NSX. This car wasn't just ahead of its time, it was a revolution, blending exotic performance with everyday usability. Let us get into the full review, covering everything from its timeless exterior design to its performance and current market value. The first thing you'll notice about the 1990 NSX is its sleek, low-slung profile. Designed with input from Formula One legend Ayrton Senna, the NSX was the first production car to feature an all-aluminum monocoque body. This not only reduced weight but also increased structural rigidity. The pop-up headlights, wide stance, and clean, aerodynamic lines give it a classic supercar silhouette that still turns heads more than 3 decades later. Even today, the NSX looks purposeful and elegant, a true product of precision and passion. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that was refreshingly modern for its time. Honda focused heavily on driver visibility and comfort. The cockpit feels airy thanks to a low dashboard and large glass area, offering exceptional sidelines, something rare in most mid-engine cars. The seats are supportive, the analog gauges are simple and easy to read, and the overall layout is uncluttered, placing the driver at the center of the experience. Unlike many supercars of the era, the NSX was known for being genuinely comfortable and usable in day-to-day driving. Under the hood, the original NSX featured a 3.0-liter DOHC V6 engine producing 270 horsepower. What made it special was the VTEC system, which gave it a high revving character and smooth power delivery. Mated to a precise 5-speed manual transmission, the car could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 5.7 seconds, impressive for its time. The handling is where the NSX truly shines. With a mid-engine layout, low center of gravity, and superb chassis tuning, the car offers a connected and balanced driving experience that enthusiasts still rave about. As for prices, the 1990 NSX has become a collector's gem. While it was relatively affordable when new, prices have steadily climbed. Today, a clean, low-mileage example can cost anywhere between $60,000 to over $100,000, depending on condition and originality. It's a testament to the car's legacy and how it reshaped the supercar world forever. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car content. See you in the next one.